Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP, last day of the year of 2024. Crazy to think about how fast this year has gone by. Just feels like yesterday that, we did start off the year, and here we are, making an update on the last day of the year. I just want to wish you guys, a happy new year early on to everyone watching this update. Just hope you guys, get everything that you guys wish for, and may, 2025 be the best year yet for yourself and your loved ones. But let's really take a look at what's happening with XRP right now going into the end of the day. Going into the morning of the last day of the year. It's a little late, so sorry about that. If you're looking across the board right now, of course, we are seeing quite a bit of red, which of course is the momentum that we had seen Monday. So as we are going into Tuesday, that same momentum is carrying on. XRP is down about 1% right now over the last few hours. If you're looking at the price, $2.06, down 0.7% in USD, down 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at almost $119 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $6 billion. But before we get into any further, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, as far as Ethereum flows are concerned, around 16,540 Ethereum and 4,430 Bitcoin were sold on December 30th. So, profit taking is happening. People are still kind of spooked about after, the Jeremy Powell's, FOMC announcement, which has, really had a major impact on the likes of, the stock to the stock market, and kind of is flowing with XRP, but XRP as well as the crypto markets. But what a lot of people are ignoring right now is that the USDT FUD. That's a major thing that a lot of people are completely forgetting about. But I think the market is kind of going past that. But with that said, speaking about USDT, take a look at this. Tether shifts $780 million in Bitcoin to reserve, its biggest move in 9 months. Stablecoin issuer Tether has moved over 8,400 Bitcoin to its reserve in its biggest move since March. And this could quite be seen as a bullish announcement rather than a bearish one. And I think good timing. As far as USDT is concerned, I definitely understand where the red flags come from a lot of people. People are spooked about this because, of course, people question whether or not the reserve even exists for USDT. If they can print so easily, mint more coins so easily, is that money actually sitting in a reserve? Those are the questions obviously no one really knows the answers to as of now. Hence you are seeing so much importance given towards regulation coming towards crypto. And I think the year of 2025 and onwards is going to be really focused towards regulation coming towards crypto industry, because things like this. And again, this is something I want you guys to keep in mind. But let me know down below what you guys think about this. In terms of the announcement itself, 780 million in Bitcoin to reserve. I think that is not a bad news, especially after the Tether FUD that we've been seeing. But look at what Crypto Inside UK says. XRP, nothing has changed at all with my XRP thoughts. In fact, XRP looks amazing. We are just ranging after a 465% move upwards. The oscillators have cooled off. We are just awaiting the next leg to the upside. And this is, if you watch my channel on a day-to-day basis, this is something that I emphasize quite a bit. People are, more focused on, the small moves by XRP, especially the sideways momentum, which some people call boring, but, just completely, forgetting and disregarding, this massive move that we have seen. But if you are a true XRP holder, you don't want to be ignoring these things, because these things should not be ignored. XRP, a coin, which people used to think is just a dead coin, just a month and a half ago, has, seen such crazy price action. And right now we're ranging. And why are we ranging? We're actually, being correlated with Bitcoin and the dominance index. And if you study those tools and, understand what kind of correlation it can have on altcoins such as XRP, you would really understand that, whatever we're seeing happening right now is not a major surprise. But moving forward, shout out to Good Morning Crypto, bringing some great stuff. So SBI Holding could adopt MicroStrategy Bitcoin model buying XRP. SBI Holding investment in Ripple and XRP is worth around $1.6 trillion, which is $10 billion yen. This amount exceeds SBI's own market cap of 1.2 trillion. The GAM Global Situation Fund recommends that SBI Holdings starts an active and public XRP coin buying program. This strategy would mimic the highly successful XBT, strategy pursued by MicroStrategy in the U.S. Yoshitaka Kito emphasizes that Ripple should begin preparing for its own IPO as soon as the SEC matter is resolved. Do you agree SBI Holdings should initiate a buyback program? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. But to answer this, IPO thing, speaking about IPO thing, we know about this, and Brad Garlinghouse has not been shy away from, going in the public and saying that, once the SEC case is officially over, they could be talking about IPO, and I think, IPO makes sense, but let's see what happens. But let's talk about the price, briefly. As far as the dominance is concerned, it's picking up a little bit, as you can see, going into Tuesday morning. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, Bitcoin did see a bounce. Of course, we did retest the 23.6, briefly below the 23.6 at $91,669. But we have seen a bounce, and right now we're facing some key resistance. But today's the last day, so let's see what happens. I did indicate this in my H-bar update. If this resistance is able to break out, especially around the 95,000, about the 96K, I would not be surprised if Bitcoin actually ends up going to 100K even today, believe it or not. That's how fast the market can move up. But again, you want to see those resistances breaking out. But as far as XRP's price is concerned, let's kind of take a look at it on the hourly time frame. So as far as XRP is concerned, we did drop below the the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see this for yourself, we made our way down to the $1.99. And if you follow the channel on daily basis, it's something we've been discussing. But obviously, the wicks that we have seen as support, over the last, few weeks have been coming in as a support, as you can see. But, the price wants to get back in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level right now. But you do also want to be focusing on the dominance index as well as Bitcoin. If Bitcoin sees a fake out, makes its way back below, the 23.6, I think that is going to be an interesting thing not to be ignoring. But, so far so good. As far as the targets are concerned, the upward trend, the targets that we've been talking about, they're still intact. But, one step at a time. But, as of now, if we do see a shakeout, the target down to the $1.91 is still on the table, believe it or not. But you don't want to be focusing on the bigger picture. That's something that I tell you guys on a day-to-day basis. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions on XRP? How do you think the day is going to end? How do you think the year of 2024 is going to end for XRP? Let me know in the comments down below. We'll keep you guys covered, of course. Happy New Year early on. Love you all. Thank you for all your support over the years. And 2025 is going to be a great year. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX and peace out.